Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making Mutton Shami Kababs. They are so delicious in taste. You will love them inshallah. To make them we need minced mutton 2 pounds, Chana dal 1.5 cups. Don't soak it, just wash it for 3 times. Coriander powder 2 tablespoons, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoons, garam masala powder 1 tablespoon, ginger grated 1 tablespoon, and water 3 cups. So let's cook them first, then make our yummy kebabs with bismillah. In a pan add water, then minced mutton, dal, garam masala powder, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, and ginger. Also add half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cover it and let it boil on high flame. After 10 minutes it will start boiling. Now keep the flame medium low and let it cook for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes I will check the dal. It should be soft but holding its shape. Let me show you. Yes, it is done. Now keep the flame high and cook it for more 10 minutes until it becomes dry enough to make kebabs. Inshallah. After 10 minutes it is ready, alhamdulillah. Now take it out in a big bowl and cover it with paper towel. Then keep it at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then in fridge for 30 minutes to make it completely cool down. Now we will chop 1 bunch of cilantro leaves, 1 bunch of mint leaves, 1 big size onion and 1 green chili without seeds. Then squeeze out water from them to add them in kebab mixer to make yummy kebabs. Inshallah. In a chopper add onion, mint leaves and cilantro leaves, then chop them. In the same chopper we will grind our kebab mixture. Our both mixture are ready. Squeeze out water from the leaves and add them in kebab mixture. In this way the kebab will be very firm. Inshallah. Mix them together, then make kebabs. You can make 21 kebab of this mixture. Just bind them with your both hands. To make kebabs, don't use oil or water to bind them. MashaAllah, this looks so pretty and delicious. Alhamdulillah, 21 kebabs are ready. Cover them with paper towel and keep them in fridge for 30 minutes. Then we will fry them. If you want to freeze them, then place them on a plate with piece of parchment and keep them in freezer for an hour. Then store them in a freezer bag and keep them again in freezer for up to a month. They will be fresh, inshallah. Let's fry our kebabs now. In a pan add half cup of oil and keep the flame medium low. Beat an egg and dip kebab in egg and place kebab carefully in the pan. Fry them for 40 seconds on each side and enjoy them with bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious. Mutton Shami Kababs are ready. Enjoy them with your loved ones and share the recipe. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.